Hello, amazing learners! Welcome to our reading adventures. In this lesson, we will learn and master reading sentences. We will focus on words with the short vowel sounds. These are the sounds a, e, I, o, and We will also master reading the words look, at, his, and her. Say the words after me. Look, at, his, her. Great job! Before we begin, let us first learn how to use the words his and her in a sentence. We use the word his if an object is owned by a boy or a male. We use the word her if an object is owned by a girl or a female. Are you ready? Let's read. Say the word after me. Look, at, his, cap. Now it's your turn. Read the word as you see the red dot. Look at his cap. Repeat after me. Look at his pet. Now it's your turn. Look at his pet. Copy what I say. Look at his pin. Now it's your turn to read the words. Look at his pin. Repeat after me. Look at his socks. Now read the words on your own. Look at his socks. Say the words after me. Look at his tux. Now it's your turn. Look at his tux. Read the words after me. Look at his van. Now it's your turn to read. Look at his van. Copy what I say. Look at his jet. Read the sentence on your own. Look at his jet. Repeat after me. Look at his kit. Now it's your turn. Look at his kit. Say the words after me. Look at her wig. Read the sentence on your own. Look at her wig. Repeat after me. Look at her son. Now it's your turn. Look at her son. Copy what I say. Look at her hut. Read the words on your own. Look at her hut. Repeat after me. Look at her jam. Now it's your turn to read. Look at her jam. Say the words after me. Look at her bed. Now it's your turn. Look at her bed. Copy what I say. Look at her mill. Read the sentence on your own. Look at her mill. Repeat after me. Look at her dog. Now it's your turn. Look at her dog. Copy what I say. Look at her mug. Now it's your turn. Look at her mug. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.